Hello guys, in this video we learn how to make many tags like h1 tag, h2 tag till h10 tag. Then let's start. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. We'll start. First, save the file in .html extension, but don't forget to write extension. First we load basic HTML code. Basic HTML. This is the basic HTML code. I will give this title as demo. Yes, demo of all head tags, means h1 h2 tags. Now there are many tags. You can see this h1 tag, h1 tag. Then we have to only write h and number which tag you have to use, like h2 tag. This is h2 tag. Then h3 tag, h3 tag. Then h4 tag, h4 tag. Then h5 tag, h5 tag. Then h6 tag, h6 tag. Is there I think till h7 tag is there or not, we will check. Yes, there is h7 tag. There are many tags like that. We will save this. Now I will run this project. Open a browser. Just a minute, this is running. Till the time I will check it is run or not. So you can see this, our project is run. h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag, h4 tag, h5 tag, h6 tag and h7 tag. See, the size of text is becoming smaller by increasing the number. There is not h7 tag, till h6 tag only the tag is there. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video.